Here's a quick review of this Baldwin electronic door lock, and since day one it has a problem that whenever we use the auto lock feature, which can be enabled by one of these switches, I think it's number 2, when it is flipped up, it uses the auto lock feature. The auto lock feature locks the door within 30 seconds. And as you have heard, this has done auto lock now, and this beep means it is detecting that the door lock has not worked properly. And now it will keep engaging the lock every 30 seconds and giving the beep. So I have replaced this lock thrice, 3 times, and still the problem has not gone away. It comes back within 1 or 2 weeks. So these are never-ending problems. It's a bad design, a bad lock. This is what it does. And it will keep doing this unless I manually open it and then close it. So I have gotten in touch with the manufacturer also. They have sent me replacements twice, but the problem is not going away. I have done everything the manufacturer has asked me to do. That is to make sure that the lock is not sticking anywhere in this, that the bolt is not sticking anywhere in this. It is as per the requirements, absolutely. They also told me it will continue doing this. So they told me first to apply some lipstick on this so that it can be seen if the bolt is touching anywhere. I did that. Then it was required to be rebooted. I did that also. So everything they have told me I have done, but this lock is still causing the problem. It's a poor design. I don't know what the problem is, and they are unable to fix it. So anyways, thanks for watching.